Question number 2a. A man has a monthly salary of Rs 6,500. If he gets an increment of Rs 150 every year, how much salary does he receive in the 10th year? A man has a monthly salary of rupees 6,500. If he gets an increment of Rs 150, if he gets an increment of Rs 150 every year, how much salary does he receive in the 10th year? So this question is related to sequence and series. The monthly salary of a man is given Rs 6,500. Annual increment is equal to Rs 150. Salary in the 10th year. We have find salary in the 10th year. Let A is equal to Rs 6,500. The monthly salary is given Rs 6,500. So we can suppose it as A. Annual increment is given Rs 150. We can suppose it as D, common difference. And then we have to find salary in the 10th year. That means T10 is equal to what? We know by using the formula of sequence and series, we know Tn is equal to, that means the general term of arithmetic sequence. The given data is related to arithmetic sequence because there is an equal increment in salary every year. So if there is equal increment or if there is decrement by equal number, then the sequence is called arithmetic sequence. So the given data is, or we can say the given question is related to arithmetic sequence because there is an equal increment every year in the monthly salary. Now to find the 10th salary of the 10th year, we have to use the formula of general term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn we can suppose as T10 because we have to find the salary of 10th year. So T10 is equal to, the value of A is 6,500 plus n. The value of n is 10 because we have to find the salary of 10th year. So number of year is 10. So we can put the value of n 10 minus 1 as it is. The value of D. The value of D is 150. 6,500 as it is plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 150. 9 into 150 we get 1,350. 6,500 plus 1,350 we get 7,850, which is the salary of the 10th year. Therefore 10th year salary is equal to Rs 7,850. HSCB 2064 question number 2b group A. Question number 2b, insert 3 geometric means between 2 whole 1 by 4 and 36. Insert 3 geometric means between 2 whole 1 by 4 and 36. Solution, let A is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4. The first number is given 2 whole 1 by 4. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1 9. So we get 9 by 4. The first number A is given 9 by 4 and the second number B is equal to 36. So between the first number A, 2 whole 1 by 4, that means 9 by 4, and the second number B 36. So between the given two numbers we have to insert 3 geometric means. Let's suppose 3 geometric means as M1, M2, M3. Now to find the geometric means, that means M1, M2, M3, we have to first find the value of common ratio. We know the formula of common ratio is B by A whole power 1 by n plus 1 equals to B, the value of B is 36 divided by A, the value of A is 9 by 4 whole power 1 by n plus 1. That means n means 1, 2, 3. N means number of geometric means, the value of n is 1, 2, 3. The number of geometric means is 3. So n value we can put 3, 3 plus 1. 36 divided by 9 by 4. Now this divide will change into multiply. So this 9 by 4 will change into 4 by 9. When we have to change divide into multiply, we have to take the reciprocal of denominator. 9 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 9. So 36 divide is changing into multiply. 36 into 9 by 4 will change into 4 by 9 whole power 3 plus 1 4, 1 by 4 equals to 9 4 is 36. So we get 4 into 4 whole power 1 by 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 power 1 by 4. The power is 1 by 4. So this 16 we have to change into power 4. 16 means 2 power 4 because 2 power 4 means 2 to the 4, 4 to z, 8 to the 16. 16 we can write as 2 power 4, 4 4 cancel, then we get 2 power 1 means 2. Therefore the value of common ratio. Therefore R is equal to. Now using the formula of geometric means. The first geometric mean M1 is equal to AR. is equal to, the value of A is given 9 by 4 and R is 2. The value of A is 9 by 4 and the value of R is 2. By putting the value of A 9 by 4 and the value of R 2, we get 2 2s are 4, that means we get 9 by 2. So first geometric mean is 9 by 2. Now to find the second geometric mean, M2 is equal to AR square. The value of A is 9 by 4. The value of R is 2. 2A square means 4. 4 will cancel, then we get 9. So this is the second geometric mean. Now third geometric mean, M3 is equal to AR cube. The value of A is 9 by 4. The value of R is 2. The value of R is 2. 2 whole cube. 2 whole cube means 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 9 by 4 into 8. We get 4 to the 8. That means 9 into 2, 18. Therefore the value of third geometric mean is 18.